Good morning, my dear students. Today I will do few ICSE sum, very important sum. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Right. First, question number 1. Prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay. Say, prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. This is ICSE sum. Okay. Say, first write LHS, left hand side, right, left hand side. See, in left hand side we can take common sin theta. See, right, sin theta take common. Okay. So that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by, similar way you take common here cos theta. So 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, my dear students. See, sin theta common first. So sin theta common, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and here take cos theta common, then 2 cos square theta minus 1. And all of you know 1 can be sin square plus cos square. So right. So sin theta, see this 1 we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, divided by cos theta, see 2 cos square theta minus, see this one also you can write sin square theta plus cos square theta. So right, here also sin square theta minus sign is there, so write minus cos square theta. Okay, minus sign is there, so minus multiply will be minus cos square theta. Now see, sin by cos, yes, good, sin by cos, tan theta, right, tan theta. See, here cos square, here plus sin square, minus 2 sin square. So minus 2 sin square plus sin square will be minus sin square theta. So right, cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by, here also take cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Now both are same, both numerator are same. So right, only tan theta. See, so this will be RHS. Okay. So this will be RHS. Left hand side equal to right hand side. See, right. First we took sin theta common, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here cos theta, then 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. Then 1 can be sin square plus cos square minus 2 sin square theta, and here 1 also sin square cos square theta. Just put the value, you will get the result. Okay. Yes, then this will be tan theta. Okay. All of it written? Very good. Now next one. Right, next sum. Question number 2. 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta equal to 2. equal to 2. Okay, right. Now don't multiply, so it will be very difficult. Okay, so answer will come, no problem, but don't multiply. Say first you write cot theta all you know cos by sine, okay, cos by sine. So write 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta, okay, into 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta, okay, 1 by cos theta. Now, so write sin theta common, LCM, so write sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into here also cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta, okay, okay, okay. So right, sin theta cos theta. Now see here sin theta cos theta sin theta, okay. So a plus b minus b, no? Yes, right. Formula a plus b into a minus b. So it will be a square minus b square. So right, formula apply. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1, okay, minus 1. So right, by sin theta cos theta, okay. So right, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2a plus b square, just put the value, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Now, say sin square cos square 1, sin square plus cos square 1, minus 1 cancel. So write 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. So write equal to 2 answer. Proof 2 is there. See 1 cancel, 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Sin cancel, sin cos cancel will be 2 answer. Just copy it all of you. Copy first. First, 1 cot can be cos by sin, cosec 1 by sin, tan sin by cos, sec 1 by cos, okay. Now LCM sin, here LCM cos, so sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, here cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, so sin theta plus cos theta whole square, a plus b minus b is there. Now a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1, so sin square cos square 1, so 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1, that is sin theta cos theta, okay. Now next sum. Right. Question number 3, right. Cos A by 1 plus sin A equal to sec A minus tan A. Okay? So right. So first you have to write cos A by 1 plus sin A, left hand side. So both sides multiplied by 1 minus sin A. So write left hand side cos A into 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A equal to cos A 1 minus sin A by 1 minus sin square A. Okay, 1 minus sin square A. So write cos A into 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin square A into cos square A. So write cos square A. Okay, cos square A. So cos cancel here. So 1 minus sin A by cos A. So you can write 1 by cos A minus sin A by cos A. So 1 by cos, all of you know? Yes, sec A minus tan A. Okay, say right. This is given cos A by 1 plus sin A. So 1 plus sin A, here conjugate multiplied 1 minus sin A. Okay, now A plus B, A minus B. So A square minus B square, 1 minus sin square A, and 1 minus sin square A, it will be cos square A. 1 cos cancel. Okay, so remaining 1 minus sin A by cos A. So we can write here 1 by cos A minus sin A by cos A. So equal to sec A minus tan A. Sec A minus tan A. Okay, okay, right. Complete? Okay, next. Very important sum. Next one, right? Question 5. Right. Sin theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta by 1 minus tan theta. Okay, equal to cos theta plus sin theta, equal to cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, right. Sin theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to cos theta plus sin theta. First on left hand side, first you convert it into sin by cos or cos by sin. Okay, cot theta, here tan theta is given. So right, left hand side sin theta by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Okay, see what is given, so it will be cos by sin. Understood? Yes. Plus cos theta by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, see here LCM sin, so multiply sin theta minus cos theta by sin. So sin will be sin square. So right, it will be sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus here also cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, now see LCM sin theta minus cos theta down, here cos theta minus sin theta, one sign is changed. Okay, so I am writing, look at here, sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, sin theta minus cos theta, you change. So sign will be changed here. So minus. So right, cos square theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, see, I am changing the sign here. Here cos minus sin. So I am changing, minus is there. So it will be sin minus cos. See, my dear students, look at here. See, no, here sin minus cos, no. See, sin theta minus cos, here or sin theta minus cos theta. Both are same. So LCM is sin theta minus cos theta. So right. Sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. So it will be sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay. Cos square theta. Now yes, this will be a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. So write a plus b minus b. Then minus will be cancelled. Will be sin theta plus cos theta. This will be RHS. So proof cos theta plus sin theta is there. Okay. Again I am explaining. Look at here. Cot. Cot can be cos by sin. Cot can be cos by sin. Here tan sin by cos. Sin by cos. So it will be sin square. Sin minus cos theta. Here cos square. Cos theta minus sin theta. Then sin square by sin theta minus cos theta. Cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. Cos theta. And its sign change. See, look at here. Here plus is there. I am writing minus because denominator I am changing here. Sin theta minus cos theta. So sin theta minus cos theta LCM. So it will be sin square minus cos square. Okay. So it will be sin theta plus cos theta. A plus b minus cancel will be this. Okay. Next. Complete. Now, next one, very important sum, right? Question number 6, right? Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, see. See, written? See. Basic, this is also important sum. How to remember this type of sum? See, here relation is that first you see tan theta plus sec theta. And what is the relation between sec theta plus tan theta? Who can say? Yes. So one can be right sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. See that formula you have to apply because here tan theta plus sec theta is given. Okay. Right. LH is right. So tan theta plus sec theta. See this one minus 1 we can write sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. Yes. So right. Down no change. Same. Tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay. See, and this part we can write a plus b minus b. Yes, no? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, right. So tan theta plus sec theta minus. So right, sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay. See here a plus b minus b take common. So sec theta plus tan theta common. So down will be here 1 minus sign change. This is common. This part common. So this minus sign is there. Minus. So 1 minus this part. So sec theta plus tan theta. By say right tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. So this is cancelled now. So right sec theta plus tan theta. Okay. So right the 1 by cos sin by cos. So it will be right 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. See, look at here. This is left hand side, right hand side, and this also right hand side. So this type of sum you should remember 1. So 1 can be the relation between the sec 10. It will be sec square minus tan square. Okay? Yes. Good. Very good boy. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Yes. Now a plus b minus formula applied. Thus we put here sec theta plus tan theta. So remaining part 1 minus sec plus tan by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. So this is cancelled. Sec theta plus tan. So it will be 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Next. Complete. Copy fast. Okay. Another sum, right? One question I am giving. See, suppose now write question number 7 or 8, right? Tan theta, tan 2 theta equal to 1. Find the value of theta. Here theta, right? Find theta. Okay? Theta is acute angle less than 90 degree. Okay? See how to do. Tan theta into tan 2 theta equal to 1. Find the value of theta. Okay? Find the value of theta. So right. You can write tan theta or 2 theta. Anyone write? 1 by tan theta you can write now. Yes. Okay? Tan 2 theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So you can write 1 by tan means cot theta. Cot can be tan 90 minus theta. Okay? Listen. Tan 2 theta 1 by tan theta. So 1 by tan can be cot theta. Writing cot theta. Cot, all of you know complementary angle here. Cot tan 90 minus theta. So cot theta tan 90 minus theta. Okay. Now, no, don't cut. Wrong. So you just this is no. This is wrong. Don't do. Okay. This is wrong. Don't cut. These are not separate. Okay. Tan theta not equal to tan into theta. Okay. So don't cut. This is wrong. So you cancelling tan. This is we are cancelling tan both the sides. So directly you write 2 theta equal to 90 minus theta. So 3 theta equal to 90. So theta equal to 30 degree. See, acute angle is there, no? I am telling theta is acute angle. So theta will be 30 degree. Okay? Here don't cut. Just we are cancelling both the sides. Okay? We are cancelling both the sides. Both sides tan or sin or cos etc. is there. So don't cut. This is wrong. Now next. Suppose 3 sin square theta plus 4 cos square theta equal to 1. 1. Find the value of theta. Okay, find the value of theta. So write, we can write here, see, anyway we can do, no problem. 3 sin square theta plus 4 cos square can be 1 minus sin square theta, we can write. Yes, 1 cos square. Yes, or sin square can be 1 minus cos square. Any, you have to write, no problem. Okay, any one you have to convert it. So write 3 sin square theta plus 4 minus 4 sin square theta equal to 1. So minus sin square theta equal to 1 minus 4. Okay? So write. So sin square theta equal to minus 3. Both are minus cancelled, plus 3. So sin theta equal to root 3. Okay. So now it is not possible. Okay. Here theta sin the value, we know the value of sin theta minus 1 to plus 1. So here no solution. Answer is right. No solution. Okay. No solution. Yes. No value of theta will be. Because sin theta cannot be root 3. Okay? Sin theta cannot be root 3. The value of sin theta we know minus 1 to plus 1. That's why this value we will not take. So there is no solution. Root 3 value all of you know 1.732. This is greater than 1. Okay? So we will not take. So there is no solution. Okay? Next. Next one. Right. Suppose 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5. This is given. Find the value of sin theta. Suppose find the value of sin theta. Okay. So right. We can write here. See, 4 here given. Find sin theta. So right, 4 cos theta, we can write 5 minus 3 sin theta. Okay? 4 cos theta, 5 minus 3 sin theta. So right, squaring both sides, 60 cos square theta. Okay? 25 minus 30 sin theta plus 9 sin square theta. Squaring both the sides. 4 cos theta will be 16 cos square theta. This is 5 minus 3 sin theta whole square. 5, 25 minus 30 sin theta plus 9 sin square theta. Okay? Now 16. This cos square you can write 1 minus sin square theta. Yes, so it will be 16 minus 16 sin square theta. 16 minus 16 sin square theta. Cos square can be 1 minus sin square theta. So multiply 16 into 1 minus sin square will be this. Here 25 minus 30 sin theta plus 9 sin square theta. Okay. Now right, 16 minus 25 equal to, you take that side, 16 sin square theta minus 30 sin theta plus 9 sin square theta. Okay. So 25 sin square theta okay, sin square theta minus 30 sin theta. Okay. So right, this will be minus 9. Okay. So right, 25 sin square theta plus 30 sin theta plus 9 equal to 0. Okay. So this part, it will be perfect square. We can write 5 sin theta minus 3 whole square, see, equal to 0. 25. 9 is there. So it will be 5 sin theta minus 3 whole square. Okay. So right. Therefore 5 sin theta equal to 3. So sin theta equal to 3 by 5. So sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Okay, this is the answer. This is given. Find the value of sin theta. Okay. Now 4 cos theta We can write side change 5 minus 3 sin theta. Now cos square, squaring both the sides, 16 cos square theta equal to 25 minus 30 sin theta plus 9 sin square theta. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Just cos square can go 1 minus sin square. All sin, we convert all sin is there. So it will be perfect square. 25 sin square theta, 30 sin theta plus 9 equal to 0. So it will be 5 sin theta minus 3 whole square equal to 0. So 5 sin theta equal to 3, sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Okay? Okay. Now today, complete? Okay. Now, no more today, and I will give study material and worksheet. Okay? Very important sum is there. All of you practice at home. Okay? Understood? Okay, very good. Tata.